Alright, so welcome to today's YouTube video. My name is John Anna Vilori. So if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you to this brave YouTube tutorial. So today I want to share with you guys a new course I just launched recently on WarriorPlus. So if you are new to my channel, I'm a product creator, and then I'm an affiliate marketer, and then digital products online, and then I create I also promote other people's products whereby I earn commissions, I earn affiliate commissions. So those are just the two things I do online. I create products and then I promote other people's products, and I do that on WarriorPlus. Yes, WarriorPlus is a platform where you can actually go to. WarriorPlus is a platform you can actually go to, and then you can start selling your own product right there, or you can also promote other people's product. Doesn't mean if it's software, if it's an app, if it's a training course, a coaching course, anything digital online, you can head over to WarriorPlus and sell your own, or you promote other people's own. And that's what I do. I to earn an average of, let's say, sometimes I do $500, sometimes 800, sometimes close to $1,000, and sometimes I've done I think more than $2,000 in a month. So as you can see, last month I've done $466, and you can see affiliate sales is 265.55. You can see vendor sales 181, and then JV sales that's 19.13. JV sales is like if I partner with someone, I get a share, or we share the profits, we share some commissions together. So that's how I get JV sales right there. So so I want to show you guys. Okay, so right now, if you are new to WarriorPlus, you want to learn, you want to start a business on WarriorPlus, I made a tutorial for you. But basically, this is for affiliate marketing. Yes, how to promote other people's products. Actually, I decided to do this because I saw a lot of people complaining on WarriorPlus group that they're having problem. They're actually having problem, having their way, working their way around WarriorPlus. Some couldn't, they don't even know how to get their affiliate link. Some don't know how to, request for affiliate approval. Some don't even know where to find products to promote. Some people don't know how to, track their conversions, track their sales, track commissions, and some people just don't know how to promote their products. And I reviewed everything. In fact, I did a special step-by-step training on how anyone can do this. So let me get into that now. Let me just give a glimpse of what you'll be getting inside this course. So it's over an hour, hour 25 minutes, but I think it's about just 5 minutes maximum for each video, except my exclusive bonus, which I included inside the training course. So before I go on, let me just give you a preview of what affiliate marketing is all about. So for instance, if I'm selling a product now, okay, for instance, I'm selling this course right now. This is the course I'm selling. So if you already know what affiliate marketing is all about, so you can just, reach out to me and say, hey, John, I saw your product affiliate course on WarriorPlus, and then I'm interested. I want to promote it, and then can you please approve me to promote your product so I can also make money selling your product by earning a commission. So it's very simple. I can just approve you to promote the product, and then if you sell a copy of it, you're going to earn commission on it. For instance, if I'm selling it for $20, I can decide to give you 10%, 20%, 50% commission, or 100% commission. So but basically on WarriorPlus, you're going to find products that you can sell and even keep as much as 50% commission, 70% commission, even 100% commission. And it's very, very, in fact, you're going to see a lot of products that you can earn 100% commission without, in fact, it's not like an amazing where you actually go and then you are earning, and a lot of people just waste their time on amazing, promoting product with $4, earning 4% commissions, 5% commissions, 8%, in fact, 2% commission. That's time wasting. Is time wasting. So on WarriorPlus, you can find hundreds of products, thousands of products that you can earn decent commission and make decent money, real money, while promoting other people's products. So inside this course, I'm going to show you everything you need to do. In fact, how to get started, how to sign up your accounts, how to optimize your account as an affiliate, how to do, position yourself, and then so when you are requesting for products, you get approved easily. Because if you are a starter on WarriorPlus, it will be very hard for you to get approved, because they will see it. Once you send a request to promote the product, they will see that this guy is new, he has not made any sales, any commission at all, so they're not going to approve you. But then if you follow everything inside this course, you're going to learn everything from scratch, and then you become, in fact, you can become a pro affiliate within once you are done with the course, once you are through with the course. So let me see, you can see right here, this is just a screenshot of someone complaining about WarriorPlus. It says desperately need of directions with WarriorPlus, like to be an affiliate to promote others, but don't know where to get started or what to do. What happens if you click request? So you can see, is this me asking permission to promote that item? You see, this person just has no clue on how to, in fact, request to promote products. So you can see this, I saw this recently again. It says, please, I need a mentor. I'm new to affiliate marketing. I want to learn the ropes to succeed in the business. Thank you. So this training is exactly for this guy. I hope he's going to see it, and I hope he's going to pick it up. So this guy now doesn't actually need a mentor now, not a mentor. He needs to learn the rope, what affiliate marketing is, and then go on to, learn, practice what he has learned, take action, and then get a 1 or 2 results before you can now say, okay, you want to get a mentor, and then begin to, because when you only need a mentor when you want to do, you want to start getting 10 times results. You want to become better in what you are already doing, not just, you're not getting a mentor because you want to start something. You're already doing that thing, and then you're already getting little results, but you want to, be among the top 10, among the top 1%, then you actually need to get a mentor at that moment. So also you can see another person complaining that I also wanted to do on WarriorPlus as well, and I was asking for help with myself to get started, but no one wanted to help me, so I had to try doing it myself, and I didn't have a clue to what I was doing. I've been with WarriorPlus, blah blah blah. So you can see, so a lot of people had that problem. They wanted to start promoting products on WarriorPlus, but they were not getting, they were not actually just understanding how WarriorPlus works. So inside my training course, I'm going to review exactly. In fact, I'm going to hold you by the end, and you can always ask me questions. I'm on Facebook. I'm always active on Facebook, so you can always ask me questions anytime. My support is always, fast, and then you're going to hear from me. Anytime you need to ask 1 or 2 things, or you get, you get hooked up somewhere along the line. So inside this course, number 1, 2 things I'm going to demand from you is you watch the training videos. They're not much. Each video is just about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I purposely did that not to extend 5 minutes. So 5 minutes for each videos, and about 20 videos, and then the next thing is you want to take action on what to implement. I want to assure you, once you take action, you are going to start getting results like I do. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly. Let me show you my wallet right now. My net is refreshing, it's loading, so let's wait for that to load. I earned, about $200 in 1 hour. In 1 hour, I earned about $200 just promoting one product, and I do that over and over and over again. It's very, very simple, and it's everything I've reviewed inside this training course. So once you pick up this training course, you watch the videos, and then you take action, you start implementing. I can assure you, you start getting here. Right now, this is my balance. $37 has been cleared, and then I have to pending funds, so I can actually click to see more details. But my network is poor, so I'm not going to click right now. So you can see I have, this will be cleared in 7 days, and then in I think 4 or 3 days now. This one is going to be in let's see, okay, that's cost cube with aiming like blah blah blah. So you can see. So you can see that's our earning commission, and then last week I withdrew. Okay, last week you can see $259. You can see to my TransferWise account, and affiliate commissions just promoting other people's products. And this is very easy because you don't have to create product for yourself. You don't have to start designing a sales page, create sales page. You don't even have to start doing support. You don't have to give support. Your own is just get your affiliate link and start promoting, and then you are earning commission. So it's just as simple. So once you get inside access to this training, the step-by-step WarriorPlus affiliate tutorial. So it's a step-by-step video tutorial that will show you everything you need to know to become a pro affiliate on WarriorPlus. So inside this course, inside this training series, number 1, I'm going to cover the module 1 is the WarriorPlus features, how you can get started on WarriorPlus as an affiliate, how you can set up your affiliate profile, how you can everything, the features, the tools on WarriorPlus for you to start getting traction on WarriorPlus. So there's a link under this video. I'm going to bring you right on this page. You're going to see everything yourself. What you can see, it's over, I think over 20 videos. that you're going to get access to. Also, you can see I'm going to show you how to boost your conversions, what they need to do to get, that when you send people to your link, they're going to make purchase, right away. And then you can see, I also show you how you can make your withdrawals directly to your bank. Yes, how you can make your withdrawals to your bank account. So you can see there are a lot of series of videos, and they are all step by step. Yes, they are all step by step videos. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, you are stuck somewhere, you don't know what to do, and you are interested, you've seen a lot of people making a lot of money, on from WarriorPlus training right now, and you're going to get everything, every details on how to start crushing it with affiliate marketing. Yes, on WarriorPlus. So you can see over 20 videos. I can actually charge them maybe $1 per video, but then you can see I'm even charging less. So you can see for just $9 you can get access to these training videos, and you're also going to get a bonus, but this bonus is not going to stay long. This bonus is a case study. You can see a complete case study. I made a video, step by step video, how I actually went ahead to make that $200 in 1 hour. Yes, in less than 1 hour. I don't know if I can see this clearly. 13, you can see from 13.29, and then before 14.49, I'd already banked in over $100, so over $200. So you can see, and this is a product I promoted, 60 seconds traffic. You can see, and the sales came in just within 24 hours doing this. And that's what I shared with you inside this bonus. I showed you the method, the strategy I used, and then how you can also copy me, everything. I think it's about 41 minutes video. Yes, 41 minutes video. When you're right here, people actually said yes, they love the strategy, and they are going to implement it in their next promotion. So you can see. So there's a link under this video. This offer won't last long. In fact, the price will jump up very soon to ×2, about $17, and then maybe $47 later on. But right now, you can go and secure your access right now to this step-by-step training on affiliate marketing on WarriorPlus. So there's a link under this video. It's going to direct you to this page. It's going to bring you right here, so you can pick up this WarriorPlus affiliate training. Some people have already started purchasing already. Some has, I think it just went live in less than about 2 hours ago, and some people have started making their purchase. So go ahead. There's a link under this video. Click on the link. It's going to bring you right to this page right here, which is the step-by-step affiliate marketing course. Just scroll down. Yes, of course, you can go through the page, read through yourself, and then you scroll down, and then you make your purchase. So let me mention this, that I don't offer any refund on my offer. Yes, I don't give refunds at all. I don't give. In fact, I used to do that before, but now I've stopped giving out refunds on my offers or my product, because number one, the time I even use in putting all this together, and as you can see, you have seen the proofs already. I've also showed you my live account right there, so you can see it's what I do. So you can see this affiliate commissions. So it's what I do. It's something that guarantees or giving a refund. No, I'm not going to give refund. So you need to actually make a decision if you want to pick this up. Well, you can go ahead and pick it up. You're going to enjoy it because it's in depth, and in fact, the most important thing a lot of people like to pick up my products is because they always get support. In fact, 24/7. In fact, if you message me, probably in, let's say, in less than and I don't want to be too mean, let me say, sometimes in less than 10 minutes you will hear from me. Even sometimes during weekends, you still get to hear from me. And most times, in fact, a lot of people still reach out to me at I don't know how to put the word, late in the night. Yes, maybe around 2 a.m., 1 a.m. In fact, I get it a lot sometimes, and I still try as much as possible to reply if I'm online. So I can assure you, if you pick up this product, it's not going to just work for you. It's going to work for you if you take action. It's not hard. It's very, very simple. In fact, I reviewed simple strategies that you can deploy and start making. In fact, most of the methods I shared, to earn commissions, you don't need to spend anything. You don't need to even spend any money. And maybe you want to start doing promotion, or you want to start setting up a website or platform. You don't even need to do any of those things. Just free methods, and you can start. In fact, the method I used to bank this $200 in 1 hour was a free method, and I review. Well, if you pick up this training course, when you pick up this training course, you're going to find it. Yeah, that's actually what I reviewed in this bonus and my limited bonus. you're going to understand the method I use, to bank $200 in 1 hour. And then this is the method in fact I've been using recently to earn more commissions as an affiliate. So there's a link under this video. Go ahead and pick up the video. And if you are new to my channel, please, I want to request that you please there's a subscribe button under this video. Click on the red button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm now fully back to start doing more reviews. I'm going to share with you amazing products. There's a lot of products, amazing products on WarriorPlus, and I'll be sharing them with you on my channel. So if you like them, you're going to pick them up, and if they're going to be good for your business, they're going to get you more results. Maybe you're looking for leads, customers, or sales. I don't know. I'm going to find the best products, only the best products that's going to get you the kind of results that you want in your business or as an individual to get you better. So if you have any question for me, remember you can always reach out to me on Facebook. I'm very, very active on Facebook. You can even follow me. Let's connect together. I would like to connect with you. So when you connect with me, please just mention that you came from my YouTube channel, so I can really, in fact, it's going to actually build up the bonding faster. So I would like to know that. So let's connect together, and I would so much to accept your request. So, and again, there's one important thing I need to mention right here. Yes, there's a link under this video. You're going to find a link to my Facebook group where we mingle together. I always, in fact, that's where you can even get more support from me. So you can join. It's free. You can join my Facebook group. There's a link under this video to join the group. So just join the group, and then we can also connect together and also connect with my other group members. So go ahead. There's a link under this video for you to pick up this amazing complete WarriorPlus affiliate tutorial. So once you pick it up, you get instantly you'll be directed to okay, yes, it's going to direct you to your purchase history. So you'll be able to purchase you'll be able to access your product. So there's a link, you'll be directed to downloads, and if you can't find it, don't worry, just reach out to me. I'm going to send it to you manually once I confirm your payment details or your payment receipt. So I think that's all for now. So this is exactly how I earn money online as an affiliate on WarriorPlus. So if that's what you want to get started on WarriorPlus as an affiliate, you want to start promoting WarriorPlus products to earn commission, then you also get this amazing course, and then you will before you know you start promoting products, and then you start earning affiliate commission. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is John Anavirori. So don't forget, click on the link under this video to pick up this training course. The price can change anytime. It's going to change anytime, and then but my bonus will disappear any moment. So go ahead and pick up this amazing training course. And remember, if you want to get in touch with me, I'm available on Facebook. And if you have any question, yes, you can leave it under this video in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. In fact, I'm going to reply you in details. Yes, in details. You can check all my previous videos. You're going to learn one or two things from there, and you're going to see that yes, I actually respond to comments on my YouTube video. So thank you very much once again. My name is John Anavirori. So thank you. I'm so happy to have you on my channel. And please just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I so much love you. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day, and bye bye.